Here's how to delete a photo album on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the Photos app. If you've created a photo album or multiple different ones, you can always choose to delete those. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete the photo, just the album that houses the photo. So you're most likely going to end up in Library at the bottom left. We're going to tap on Collections instead, and you'll be able to see this recent redesign. You're going to look for albums. In my case, it's right under Pinned. And let's open it up by tapping the drop down, and you can see all of these albums. Now you can either tap into which album you wanted to delete, or let's just tap on Albums here and be able to see all of them. Now there are two different ways to be able to delete out these albums. The first way is you can press and hold on the album and then just hit Delete Album and then delete. However, another option that you have is just to tap on the album itself, tap on those three dots at the top right and hit delete and delete. Now let's say if you have a bunch of different albums that you wanted to delete, another option is to tap on those three dots at the top right. And from here, you can go to the list view, and this makes it super easy to be able to see all of those albums. And again, press and hold, hit delete, and then delete. And then you can clear up all of those albums that you don't necessarily use.